My name is Zaima, and I chose Mayflower Construction Group to renovate our master bathroom. It was super ugly. So it was still the builder grade bathroom from like 30 years ago, small white tiles everywhere, tiny shower and a huge tiled in tub that we didn't really use. So it was just a bunch of wasted space there. There wasn't a lot of great storage, and yeah, everything was just sort of coming apart slowly. I reached out and the company was great about responding and sort of sharing the process of how we could get input on a design, and they would do a design for us, and how just everything else was convenient. I really liked how personable everyone was and how patient they were in explaining every single thing that's involved. Everyone was super kind and patient in terms of explaining everything. I just felt like it was having a conversation as opposed to being sold into anything. I really appreciated that there wasn't this desire to upsell on anything. They really took the time to sort of listen to what we were looking for and what our needs were, and really tailoring the quotes and everything and the design and everything related to that. The crew was great. They were really respectful and very courteous, and they showed up on time. They really took great care in making sure that, nobody was disturbed or inconvenienced or anything like that. And they were just very professional. I think everything has been remarkably smooth. And it was the same when we previously had our bathroom done. And I think that's one of the reasons why I really like Mayflower Construction Group, is that they are very organized and do a lot of pre-planning and make sure things are done in advance, so that when the actual construction begins, it's all pretty easy. Definitely exceeds the expectations. It's great. It's so beautiful. Love the new shower. Love that we have a bigger vanity that gives more storage. Really like the layout and everything. And the Mayflower Construction Group has been really great in making sure that all of those little details that other people wouldn't notice, but as the homeowner you notice, they also noticed it and sort of just took care and gave us a really great finished bathroom, master bath. I can't wait. I really can't. Absolutely, without a doubt, I would recommend Mayflower Construction Group, and I know that I will definitely be continuing to use them in the future for the projects that we have lined up.